expectant parents in the first and second month of pregnancy. It's a very early time for you and you have just about realized that you have conceived. The fetus at this stage is very tiny, anywhere between 0.2 to 1 inch, so you can imagine, and hardly weighs about 2 grams. The antenatal color therapy for this month is blue. What do you mean by antenatal color therapy? You have to visualize the baby in a blue colored flower, a small 1 inch baby in a blue colored flower, and throw blue healing light on the baby. When you do this meditation, try and wear blue clothes, visualize blue light and a blue flower. For every month of pregnancy, a different color will be given to you and you need to visualize that. Now let us do the meditations and affirmations for this month of pregnancy. Both you and your husband sit together, hold hands, close your eyes and do the affirmations which I am saying now. Yes, I am ready for pregnancy and parenthood. I have infinite optimism when dealing with nausea, morning sickness, leg cramps, fatigue, bladder or digestion issues. I give myself permission to feel my baby's fluctuant moods and to express them with reason. My baby's heart has started beating now, and my heart itself is joyous and open to all possibilities of parenthood. My baby's cord has started to function and transport blood. I pray that good things from my food flow to the baby through this cord and his placenta remains healthy. As I am bonding with my baby, I would also like to strengthen the cords of love and blessings with my parents and in-laws. My baby's arms are opening up like buds. I embrace these arms by committing myself to motherhood. Meditations and affirmations for the first and second month of pregnancy. This is a beautiful time as you have just got your pregnancy test positive. And often you may wonder, how can I visualize my baby and do meditation at this time? You need to know that your baby is hardly about 2 inches, even less than that, and weighs a few grams, maybe 5 or 7 grams. So in this stage, some affirmations and meditations are very important for you. You can sit on a mat anywhere in the midst of nature, be around the green trees, feel completely relaxed, and you visualize your baby as a tiny bud. And these buds are opening up, and you visualize that I embrace these arms by committing myself to motherhood and affirm my gratitude for each new step of life. I affirm with my partner the courage and commitment required to take this profound changing step. Yes, from the depth of my being, I say yes to the adventure that lies ahead. Now, I'm saying some affirmations. Repeat them in your mind. Relax in a relaxed way. Reinforce them and say them daily. Yes, I am happy to be pregnant. Tell yourself that again and again. Yes, I am happy to be pregnant. I welcome this tiny life within me. I welcome this tiny life within me. My dream of getting pregnant has finally come true. My dream of getting pregnant has finally come true. Water is the beginning of all primitive forms of life. I visualize blue color of water enveloping my newborn. My dear baby is completely dependent on me. My dear baby is completely dependent on me. I pray for the survival of my baby. I pray for the survival of my baby. These are the Western meditations. I would also like you to do Garbhasanskar mantras for the first and second month. I am reading out the Garbhasanskar mantras. Fold your hands close your eyes and visualize that this mantra is enveloping your entire baby and encapsulating him and is a protection for him.
आदित्यं गर्भं पयं सा समन्धि सहस्रस्य प्रतिमाम्ब विश्वरूपम् परिवृन्धि हरसा मा भीमधस्थां शतायुषं कृणुहि चीयमान.
The meaning is, हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि वे हमें ऐसी संतति दे जो सूर्य के समान प्रखर बुद्धिमान हो और उसका व्यक्तिमत्व तेजोमय हो. उसकी ज़िंदगी के शुरुआत से ही हम कल्पना करें कि वह दीर्घायुषी हो और 100 साल जिए. I visualize this baby in my womb who has the irradiating intelligence of the sun and who has a very dynamic personality, and I pray that this baby lives a long life, can live like the sun with a blazing intelligence for a good 100 years and will be blessed by one and all.